The FW4 extension identifies a Macromedia FreeHand 4 drawing file containing vector illustration data from the classic Mac drawing application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or recover these legacy vector design files. Pro tip: for FW4 files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. FW4 files are vector illustration files from Macromedia FreeHand version 4, a professional drawing application for Mac and Windows. They contain vector paths, text objects, gradient fills, and page layouts used for graphic design illustration and print production. FreeHand FW4 files use a proprietary binary format, storing Bezier path data with stroke and fill attributes, text frames with typography settings, blended objects, and print-ready page layouts from the early 1990s era of desktop publishing and illustration. For comprehensive file management, FW4 relies on Adobe FreeHand MX developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows supports simple visualization, while full-featured editing needs design software. Your first move is key. Right-click the FW4 file and select Open With. Test with Adobe FreeHand MX if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If you are still having trouble opening the FW4 file, do not worry. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, opening the file. Adobe acquired FreeHand, and it was discontinued. Try opening FW4 files in Adobe Illustrator, which includes some FreeHand format import capability. Use File then Open and select the FW4 file. Illustrator may convert basic vector paths and text elements. Next, converting to modern formats. If Illustrator can open the FW4 file, save it as AISVG or PDF format for modern compatibility. If import fails, try Inkscape, which may support some FreeHand format variants. Export to SVG for universal vector file compatibility across applications. Finally, recovering artwork. If no application can open the FW4 file, directly consult professional file conversion services that specialize in legacy format recovery. As a last resort, recreate the artwork in a modern vector editor using printed copies or screenshots as reference guides. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.